Hey guys, it's Corinne. Welcome back to my YouTube. If you haven't been out here already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you have, thanks for coming back. So today we're going to do a haul. We did a Morphe haul. Now, funny story, I had no idea it was pronounced Morphe. I was saying morph the entire time for a really long time, and I guess that makes a lot of sense now, because every time I said it, people would be like, what is she talking about? So there you have it, Morphe. Okay, so today I spent almost $150 in Morphe. It was kind of a smaller haul from what I'm used to, but today pretty much I needed a couple things and I went in and got what I needed only. That was really hard for me because I'm used to just giving in and going crazy, but I needed only a couple things and I was strong with what I needed. I went in after the salesperson did my face and she did a beautiful job. Her name is Sadell. She is awesome. So she did a really good job on my face. She helped me out. Her customer service skills were all that. Everybody in there was actually really nice. But she did a really good job and she was just really helping me. I wanted to get a different foundation. I wanted to get some translucent powder. I wanted a different palette, another palette, and eyebrow. I got a couple things, but still, I got what I needed and I left. Like, that's a big deal for me. I'm usually, it's hard for me to just leave a place, but I did. Anyway, so let's get started with showing you what I got. So first of all, I got the Jawbreaker palette. The Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. Jeffree, you see that little star right there? Boom. Marked and sealed. Okay. So this the Jawbreaker palette is so cute. Eyeshadow pressed pigment palette. Look how cute that is. I'm sure most of you already probably have this, and if you don't, make sure you go get it. All right. Oops. Okay. So look at that. Everything's a star in a star shape. Well, pressed. A star is pressed into the shadow. So it has, what is that? 4 by 24. Sorry, my math is really off. 24 shades. That's a nice amount for a palette, especially because this one was a more expensive side, but it has really bold colors and it's a lot of it's a lot of shades, so of course it's going to be more expensive, so you get exactly what you pay for. Awesome shades. It was $58, I believe. Yes, it was $58. So do I want to swatch these right now for you? Why not? I mean, that's 24 shades. Do I have that much room on my arm? All right, so you know what I'll do? I'll swatch someone here, swatch some over there, okay? So let's try it. So we got the Virgin, oopsie, which is right up at the top corner. Pretty. Now we're gonna do Good Morning. You guys see that? I can't even see it. It's like a chalky color. We're doing Bubblegum right here. I love that name, Bubblegum. It gives me childhood memories of Bubblegum. Look how pretty that pink is. Look at that. Can you guys see that? I'm doing a horrible job at swatching. Okay. Now we got Wow. It's the yellow. Look at that. Very pretty. We're gonna go with that Suck right there. Look how bright that is. That's super bright. Running out of room here. We got the Licorice right at the end. We're gonna go with that Cute right there. Then we're gonna get the Fuck. I'd rather not say it out loud. My daughter could be listening. Then we're gonna grab that gumdrop. And then we're gonna grab the snack. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, I still have some on me. Okay guys, so there you go. There are those colors, all out of order. I'm not good at swatching. Mainly because this one is huge. Alright. So let's get back to it. We stopped at snack. Let's do brain freeze. I don't really want to mess up the star, but we're gonna do Jawbreaker. That is actually what I have as that's actually what I have in the corner on my eyelid. Then we're gonna do And What right there. We're gonna do orange juice. Yum. Who doesn't love orange juice? We're also going to do sour. Okay, guys. Alright, so starting with brain freeze. You see it? Ooh. Now going to Jawbreaker. Wow. Now we're going to And What? That looks nice. Now we're going to orange juice. Orangey. Now we're going to sour. It's a beautiful green. Got it mixed in a little bit with orange, but I tried. Alright. Now let's get back to it. So we stopped at sour. Now we're going to go to soaked. We're doing raspberry. Cotton candy. Yummy. Actually, sounds good, but it's not as great as it sounds. Cotton candy is not on the palette, but like just in general. I'm not a fan of cotton candy. Lemon drop. And Bite Me. Okay. So let's put that on our skin. We have soaked. That's actually what I have underneath. It comes out like a little bit darker, but the salesperson ensured me that if I was to use a base, like up top, if I was to use like a lighter base, it would really bring out that pigment. But right now we're gonna do it. So soaked. And then we have raspberry. And then we have cotton candy. Cotton candy looks good. That is super bright. You guys see it? And then we have lemon drop. And then we have Bite Me. Look at those pretty colors. Super pretty. Okay, guys. All right. Okay, so last four, We have, excuse me, the Cherry Wet. Okay, and we have the Tasty. Tasty is on my lid. She used this. We have Cone. She actually used that as a base on my lid, as a lighter base to really bring out the pigment in the other colors. And then we have Delicious, this dark blue. Alright. Okay, so what we're doing, Cherry Wet. Then we have Tasty. Ooh. Then we have Cone. Okay. And Delicious. Look at that. That Delicious is super, super nice. Love it. Alright guys, so that's it for the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. Let's go to some other things. It's called Jawbreaker, but let's look at some other things that I purchased. And this was just what I needed, you know? Okay guys, so yeah. There was this really cute packaging from Beauty Bakery blending eggs. So adorable. It's like little eggs. It's so cute. So, I was told in the store about the owner. Her name is Cashmere Nicole. Yeah, her name is Cashmere Nicole. 1, she's awesome. 2, I really wanted to support this. It's so adorable. The packaging to me is everything. I think it's so cute. So yeah, for this one, how much was this one? Oh, it was $18 for 6. For 6 blending eggs, it was $18. Look at that. So adorable. It's not bad at all. The pricing is not bad. I mean, this packaging is the cutest. I love it. So adorable. You guys should definitely look into this. Okay. Another thing I got was the Morphe Fluidity foundation, full coverage. That's on my face right now. Of course, when you go in and you're looking for a foundation, they're going to try it on your face. And today, Sadell just did my entire face. I am so grateful. It was so cool. We sat there. She talked to me. She actually tried. She was teaching me things. You know what I mean? She was actually teaching me things. Let me try it myself. She told me about the classes they hold for free. Guys, don't forget, Morphe holds makeup classes for free. If you're interested. Also, she talked to me about this foundation. So we tried 3 different foundations, and this one actually ended up being perfect. The foundation, what was the foundation? Oh, okay. Yeah, so the foundation, which is 110, my color is 110, was only $18. For foundation, that is a nice price. Okay. So the next thing we got was the Bake and Set, the Morphe setting powder. I got the translucent banana, and that was $12. Not bad again. Then we got, last thing we did get was, this is the baking oil for face. Now, this is from Beauty Bakery as well. So the same company as the eggs, Beauty Bakery. It just sounds cool, Beauty Bakery, like, and you need eggs to bake. How thoughtful is that? But anyway, Beauty Bakery has this baking oil for your face. So this oil is something I was really looking for, like my main thing I was looking for when I went into there, because I need my face, like I said in my last video, my face changes during different seasons. So in the winter it gets drier, super dry. So I need something to keep my face hydrated, not just makeup, but just like super hydrated even when I sleep. So Sadell talked to me about this. She told me how you can actually, you know, put a little bit on, put some in your moisturizer that you already use daily, and put some on before you go to sleep. So that's definitely going to be put into my routine. And it's vegan. So that, of course, that means less chemicals, you know. You guys should definitely look into that for my people who have drier skin. Okay, so this from Beauty Bakery, this baking oil for your face was $28. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the haul today. I'm so happy that I got exactly what I wanted and didn't spend too much, honestly. That's a plus for me today. And I'm so happy I got a full face of makeup done. It's always nice to just sit there and somebody else does your makeup. It's awesome. But these brows, I mean, Sadell did an awesome job on these brows. Seriously. Great job. But yeah, so this is kind of actually my first time, and I know I'm so super late, but this is my first time really trying Morphe. I've always stayed exactly with what I had, but now that I'm a YouTuber, I'm like, I gotta try new things and tell people how it is, really, right? Isn't that the whole YouTube thing? So now that I'm a YouTuber, I was like, why not? Why not try it out? And I did, and I really like the products. First of all, they're not too expensive, and it looks great on my face. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I hope you like this video, and I hope it helps you if you were thinking about or already have purchased anything from Morphe. Make sure you go in store though. Online is awesome, but in store is great. So make sure, remember they give free classes, but make sure you go in store. Really sit down and see what's best for your skin, what looks great on your skin, you know what I mean? So like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can receive notifications every time I upload. Also, if you liked anything in this video, make sure you like this video. I'll leave all the descriptions for every item I have in my description box. Oh, and last thing, for the Beauty Bakery, the owner, Cashmere Nicole, her story is really cool. She went from being like a single mother on welfare to building a $5 million brand. So that is so dope. I think that's an awesome story for anybody to have. You know what I mean? So definitely, I support it right away. I was like, this is cool. First of all, not just because of that story, but the packaging is awesome. So creative. Who would have ever thought an egg carton? You know what I mean? Something as simple as that. That's really cool. I know I keep talking about Beauty Bakery, but I'm hooked. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great day, great rest of the day, or great morning, whatever time you're watching this video. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye, guys.